Desmond Show.
Daddy! Where are you?
Stop! Wait!
Hello, Mr. Desmond.
Come, give yourself.
20 million the next 2 hours.
We'll do something.
What is it?
We are at the T junction already. Please, where are you? Okay, we'll wait. Open. What's the money? Where's the money? Okay. As we don't get the money, we pack our clothes, can't join you. Okay. We don't get money. Now is your shine. Follow you.
See, Desmond cares.